Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to give you this funky neon twist to the classic leopard print nails. So I hope you like it, and let's get into the tutorial. So these are all of the Kiki London products that I am going to be using, so you can find these on their store. There is a link to their store in the description box below, so to be sure to check that out. So I've already gone ahead and applied the base coat. I've applied two coats of peaches and cream, and obviously I'm going to be using their fantastic neon collection. I can leave links throughout the video to show you other designs that I've done with this collection, and also a swatch video as well, so you can see all the polishes swatched. So you want to get something that you can put your colours down so they're all there, easy for you to reach when you're doing your mani. And basically you want to get a dotting tool, and I'm starting off with Raving doll and just put in various sizes of dots, and I'm kind of going to be working it to halfway down the nail, and then I'm actually going to change it to Me Lava. I don't know how much you can see the change in it, but I mean, these are super bright neon colours. So there you go. So you're just going to roughly put some dots onto the nail, and obviously I'm going to be doing more of a curve shape as opposed to filling all of the nail. And I'll show you the other colours and how I chose to put them together now. So I'm coming in with Yellow Caution, and I'm pretty much doing what I did before, so I'm going to just speed this bit up, and then I'm coming in with Acid Green. Then for the pinky finger, I am using Diva, and then going into Neon Prince. And then I decided to do something different for the ring finger for the accent. So I'm putting all 6 colours on, but I'm just putting 1 dot of each, as you can see here. And then you're going to cure all that in your lamp. The cure times are on the screen. And then I'm actually using Chocolate Melt. So normally you would use black, but I wanted to just do something a little bit different. And then with a smaller dotting tool, I'm basically just putting some C shapes or curve shapes around the dots. I'm not putting it in the exact same order, which you can see here. So where I choose to put them changes slightly. So obviously you want to make sure that you've left enough space to be able to put these little extra details on. And as you can see, this is really super easy, but it's actually going to look like quite a difficult thing that you've done on your nails. But as you can see, it's just a case of a few dots and sort of dashes. So that's that part done. And then I'm just going to be adding some more of the colours in around it, as you can see here. So I'm just going to add a few little dots of the orange, and I actually added near the end some dots of the brown as well, but just not loads of them. So there you go. So that's what I did with all of the others. And then with this one, I actually I'm coming in and I'm putting 3 dashes around this one, just because I've got a bit more space. So have you got this Neon Vibes collection yet? If so, what are your thoughts? I'd love to read them in the comments box below. I am trying to respond to all comments as well. It's just I've been having a bit of a busy period, so I haven't been as socially on here as I should be, so sorry for that, but please don't let that put you off from commenting, because we do always love to read your comments and get the feedback from using these products. So once you're done, you want to seal it all in. So I'm using Kiki London's No Wipe Top Coat. So basically that just means you don't need to wipe off any tacky layer with isopropyl alcohol afterwards, because there is no tacky layer. So this is how it all looks with a glossy finish. I absolutely love this. I love the sort of funky twist to the classic leopard print mani. If you would like to recreate this, please tag us in. The Kiki London's details were on screen but there is links that you can click on to go and follow them as well. And this is it with a matte finish, and I think I do prefer it with a matte finish. So please let me know your thoughts on this in the comments box below, and make sure that you check out other videos as well, and please press that free subscribe button and support Kiki London. So until next week, Jelly Babes, take care of yourself, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.